Welcome class 5 in your EVS class, and we were doing the question answers of the textbook, the chapter mangoes round the year. So the one question was remaining of page 40. So the three questions we have completed already in my last video, and this will be the last question is little bit bigger one. So you write step by step, and I will write on the board. I hope you will able to write down from the board. Okay, so we will start the very next question of page 40. What is it? How did the brothers make the Mamidi Tandra? Write down step by step what they have done for it. So the first you have write the question 4, or the question is how did the brothers make the Mamidi Tandra write down step by step. Step by step. So we will write the answer. Answer is the step by step method step by step the step-by-step method by which the brothers made the Mamidi Tandra are as follows. Number 1 step is the mangoes were peeled. The mangoes were peeled. And the next step, the pulp was taken in a large pot. The pulp was taken in a large pot. Third step, the pulp was strained through a fine muslin cloth. The pulp was strained through muslin cloth to remove the fibers. And the fourth step, the jaggery was crushed till there were no lumps. The jaggery or gur was crushed till there were no lumps. The fifth step is sugar and jaggery were added in equal amounts sugar and jaggery were added in equal amounts in the pulp. Sugar and jaggery were added in equal amounts in the pulp and mixed thoroughly. So sugar and jaggery were added in equal amounts in the pulp and mixed thoroughly so that it mixes well. Next step is the thin layer was left to dry in the sunlight. The thin layer of this mixture left to was left to dry in sunlight. And covered with a clean sari. And covered it with a clean sari. You can use a clean cloth, but as according to the story it is given sari, so I am writing it over here sari. Okay, sunlight and covered it with a clean sari. To avoid any dust. Now the last one is the last step. Actually again and again they have to repeat the Same process, and every day they are just using one more layer on the previous layer. So this process will just go on for the 4 weeks. So it is the above step was followed. The above step was followed. For 4 weeks. For 4 weeks until the jelly grew. Until the jelly grew. Thicker. Four centimeters. So this is the process, and we have written it step by step. So the once I'll repeat and the answer so that you can understand well. How did the brothers make the Mamidi Tantra? Write down step by step. So the first step, the step by step method by which the brothers made the Mamidi Tantra are as follows. First, the mangoes were peeled. Second step, the pulp was taken in a large pot. The third step, the pulp was strained through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers. Fourth step, the jaggery or the gur was crushed till there were no lumps. Fifth step, sugar and jaggery were added in equal amounts in the pulp and mixed thoroughly. The sixth step, the thin layer of this mixture was left to dry in sunlight and covered it with a clean sari or clean cloth to avoid any dust. And the last step has to repeat this process again and again till the 4 weeks. So the above step was followed by 4 weeks until the jelly grew thicker or the 4 centimeters. Thank you, and that's all for the day. I hope you will able to write the answer. Okay. So have a nice day. Stay well.